Hello everyone, and welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate destination for all things Apple news and tech updates. Today, we're delving into some exciting developments surrounding the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro and beyond. Stick around until the end to get the full scoop. iPhone 16 Pro camera upgrade. Let's kick things off with Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro, set to revolutionize smartphone photography with its groundbreaking 5x optical zoom feature. Previously reserved for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this enhancement promises an unparalleled camera experience, thanks to the advanced tetaprism lens technology. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo's confirmation, coupled with Apple's partnership with leading lens supplier Largan, underscores the significance of this upgrade in pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. Charging innovations. Turning our attention to charging capabilities, Apple is making substantial advancements with the iPhone 16. Introducing 40W wired charging, Apple is responding to the demand for faster and more efficient charging solutions. While this falls short of some high-end Android competitors offering up to 120W wired and 50W wireless charging, it represents a significant leap forward for Apple enthusiasts eager for enhanced convenience and productivity. AI features and market impact. Beyond hardware improvements, Apple is integrating cutting-edge AI features into the iPhone 16 Pro. These advancements are not merely technological upgrades, but strategic moves aimed at capturing a larger market share. Projected to boost sales by 10% compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 15, these AI-driven enhancements are slated to fully harness the potential of Apple Intelligence by early 2025. This forward-looking approach underscores Apple's commitment to innovation and maintaining its competitive edge in a dynamic tech landscape. Mac user trends. Shifting gears to Mac users, recent trends reveal a notable shift in consumer behavior. A significant 56% of Mac users are now holding onto their devices for 3 years or more, signaling changing preferences and the evolving role of Mac devices in daily productivity and creativity. This trend not only reflects growing consumer confidence in Apple's product longevity, but also presents opportunities and challenges for market growth strategies in the tech industry. Apple Pay and data transfers. Finally, in the realm of digital transactions and data management, Apple continues to innovate with expanded Apple Pay functionality and streamlined data transfers. Facilitating seamless transactions across multiple platforms, Apple Pay remains at the forefront of secure and convenient digital payments. Moreover, the enhanced capability to effortlessly transfer photos between Google Photos and iCloud underscores Apple's commitment to improving user experience and data accessibility. Enhanced charging speeds. Recent leaks from sources in China suggest that Apple is poised to revolutionize charging speeds with their upcoming models. While the current iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max support up to 27W via cable and 15W wirelessly using MagSafe, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to achieve speeds up to 40W via cable and 20W with MagSafe. This leap in charging capability could drastically reduce the time users spend tethered to charging stations, enhancing the overall user experience. Real-world performance expectations. It's important to note that these figures represent peak speeds, and actual charging times may vary based on various factors such as battery health, temperature, and charging conditions. Apple's advancements in charging technology aim to not only improve speed, but also ensure consistent performance across different scenarios. We're eagerly awaiting real-world testing to see how these enhancements translate into everyday use and whether they deliver on the promise of faster, more efficient charging. Impact on battery longevity. Beyond speed, the increased charging capabilities are reportedly designed to support larger battery capacities expected in the new iPhone models. This development aligns with earlier reports hinting at advancements in battery technology aimed at improving overall capacity and durability. By accommodating larger batteries without compromising on charging speed, Apple aims to address one of the key concerns of modern smartphone users: maintaining long-lasting battery life throughout the day. Predicting price points. Apple is renowned not only for its innovative products, but also for its adherence to a strict release schedule. As we gear up for the iPhone 16 announcement, the burning question on everyone's mind is undoubtedly the pricing strategy Apple will adopt this time around. Historically, Apple has maintained stability in its pricing structure. For example, the iPhone 14 and 15 started at $800 for the standard models, $900 for the Plus variants, and $1,000 for the Pro models. The introduction of the iPhone 15 Pro Max saw a $100 increase, with prices starting at $1,199, attributed primarily to changes in storage configurations. Now, as rumors swirl, industry insiders suggest that the iPhone 16 Ultra could potentially command a starting price of $1,200 or more, signaling Apple's commitment to offering premium options for tech enthusiasts. Furthermore, there are whispers of a more budget-friendly iPhone Southeast 4 hitting the market at approximately $499, aiming to cater to a broader audience with its affordable yet feature-packed design. Exciting new features. Moving on to the most exciting aspect of the iPhone 16, its anticipated new features. Beyond its sleek design and robust build quality, the iPhone 16 is poised to introduce the groundbreaking Apple A17 chip. This cutting-edge processor promises to revolutionize the smartphone landscape by enhancing artificial intelligence capabilities on compatible devices, ensuring smoother performance and smarter functionalities. Moreover, industry speculation hints at substantial upgrades across various aspects of the iPhone 16's functionality, including camera improvements, battery life enhancements, and advancements in display technology. These innovations are set to elevate the user experience to new heights, reaffirming Apple's position at the forefront of technological innovation. Action button and customization. The iPhone 16 series is on the brink of introducing the highly anticipated Action button, a feature previously exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro. This innovative addition promises to revolutionize how users interact with their iPhones, offering a new level of personalization and convenience. From quick access to favorite apps and settings to streamlined multitasking, the Action button is poised to enhance the user experience for iPhone enthusiasts who value efficiency and customization. Camera innovations. Early glimpses into the development of the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus reveal an exciting overhaul in the camera department. Among the rumored upgrades is a sophisticated 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, designed to capture stunning details and expansive landscapes with unparalleled clarity. Whether you're capturing vibrant cityscapes or breathtaking natural panoramas, these advancements promise to elevate your photography to new heights, making every shot a masterpiece. Display enhancements. Speculations surrounding the iPhone 16 Pro models hint at significant enhancements in display technology. Reports suggest that the Pro variant could feature a larger screen size of up to 6.3 inches, while the Pro Max might push the boundaries with a massive 6.9-inch display. These advancements not only promise a more immersive viewing experience for multimedia enthusiasts, but also cater to professionals who rely on their iPhones for productivity and creativity. With brighter colors, sharper details, and improved responsiveness, the iPhone 16 series aims to set a new standard in smartphone displays. Power and efficiency. At the heart of the iPhone 16 lineup lies the revolutionary A18 chip, meticulously engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency. Building on the success of its predecessors, the A18 chip is expected to offer blazing fast processing speeds and seamless multitasking capabilities, ensuring that users can effortlessly navigate between apps, games, and intensive tasks without compromising battery life. For power users and tech enthusiasts alike, the introduction of the A18 chip represents a leap forward in mobile computing, promising a smoother, more responsive experience across the entire iPhone 16 range. Outro. As we eagerly await its official release, the iPhone 16 Pro Max promises to set new benchmarks in mobile technology. Stay tuned to Future Phone Flash for all the latest updates and insights on this highly anticipated device. This version expands on each section while maintaining clarity and engaging your audience with detailed insights into the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max.